You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this poet and essayist. If you want to learn his full name, well, make sure to stay tuned. I've got another video for you for his first name and middle name. If you want to learn more names from literature, stay tuned too. T.S.Eliot, not Eliot, Eliot. T.S.Eliot. That video there for you right now. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.